So friends, Apple is reportedly set to unveil its flagship iPhone 16 series at the company's Cupertino-based headquarters next month. However, ahead of the anticipated launch, a number of key details about the new iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus camera specifications have surfaced, given details that have hitherto not been captured. So let's talk about the iPhone 16 camera specifications. According to a report by Apple Insider, the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus will come with the same camera setup as last year. It will reportedly include a 48 megapixel primary shooter and 2x optical telephoto zoom and the ultra-wide angle lens that can take picture at 0.5x. The ultra-wide angle shooter may get a slight upgrade on the iPhone 15, meaning the new iPhones could theoretically allow more light to hit the sensor and thus improve low-light photography. And the report also claims that the iPhone 16 and the iPhone 16 Plus could also get macro photography support for the first time. Meanwhile, previous reports and dummy images have suggested that Apple may be moving to a vertical pill-shaped camera cutout on the new iPhones, like the iPhone X instead of the iPhone 15's diagonal camera setup. The new change is reportedly being worked on to allow the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus to capture spatial video. Last week, an iPhone 16 launch poster started circulating on the social media courtesy of tipster Majin Wu, stating that the new iPhone's models would be released on September 10. As it turns out, the poster wasn't leaked but created by a regular user for a bit of fun. However, a new report from the Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, a much more reliable source, claims that Apple is indeed planning to hold its biggest hardware launch event of the year on Tuesday, September 10, and that the new iPhone could go on sale from September 20. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.